So in this paper, in question number 2, the first one is ABCD is a rhombus. The coordinates of A and C are given. So it's 3.6 and minus 1, comma 2. And write the equation of BD. Okay. So we'll take the diagram and given data, let us solve this. So when you're solving this, so by concept, diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So that concept you will take. So in this first one is, so already 2 points are given. So A is 3 comma 6, C is minus 1 comma 2. And if we take the rhombus diagram, okay, so let's take rhombus. So in any rhombus, diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So there is a property. So here take letters A, B, C and D. A is given 3 comma 6. So is the point 3 comma 6, and C is minus 1 comma 2. Okay, these 2 points. So coordinates of the midpoints of diagonals AC and they will bisect each other. That means midpoints must be same. Now whenever they join the line AC, so AC midpoint and this BD midpoints are same, and they will bisect it 90 degrees. So these are perpendicular to each other. So you can find out, let's take it as O, you find out the letter O now. That means O is the midpoint of AC because AC is a diagonal. Then here given data is A 3 comma 6 and C is minus 1 comma 2, right? Then you can find out O. The O is midpoint of A and C. So we know the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here the points x1 y1, one is x2 y2. If you take, so it's x1 y1 and it's x2 y2. Let's substitute in this question. x1 plus x2, so 3 minus 1 3 comma 6 minus 1 comma 2, 3 x1 and plus x2, so minus 1 by 2, and y1 6 plus 2 by 2, right? Then you can simplify this. 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 by 2 comma 6 plus 2 is 8 by 2, so that is 1 comma 4, right? Now this is the midpoint O, point O. Then slope of AC. So let us find the slope of AC because AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. So you'll find out the slope of AC, then you can find out the slope of BD. So slope of AC. That formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Same points, right? Then 6 minus 2, y2 minus y1. Okay, 2 minus 6 by x2 minus 1 minus 3. 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. That is 1. So slope of AC is 1. Now when slope of AC is 1, we can find out slope of BD. So there is reciprocal this number and keep negative sign. That is minus 1. Then slope of BD is minus 1. So slope of BD is minus 1. Now when we have the slope and the point, so we know the point O, right? Slope and point. So we can use the slope point form to find out the equation of BD. So already we got the point O. So that is what we got is 1 comma 4. Now this is x1 y1 and slope is the m. Then equation of BD. We can find out the equation. So equation of BD is, the slope point form is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So this formula will apply. Then that is y minus y1 is 4 and slope is minus 1, x minus x1 is 1. We'll simplify this. So y minus 4 is equals to minus x plus 1. Then x plus y is equals to 5. So or else x plus y minus 5. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line BD. Right? So we can solve in that way. And you see the next one. If you observe the second. Okay, in question number 2, the second is the marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeters are dropped into a beaker containing some water and fully submerged. The diameter of the beaker is 7 centimeters. Find how many marbles have been dropped in it if the water rises by 5.6 centimeters. Okay, so diameter is given. So marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeters are dropped into a beaker containing some water. So cylindrical shape is everything. Then let's take the diagrams and show. So in this, let's take the cylindrical shape. And some raising. Okay, here before and after, if you take the both, so the height is changed. So before and after. So here marble is radius is given. So marble's radius is 0.7 centimeters. That is, you can take it as 7 by 10 centimeters. And let number of marbles. So we number of marbles. Let number of marbles be x. Okay. An increase in level of water. So for example, starting is here. So by keeping some marbles, the level is increased. Okay. So what are the marbles are placed? You can find out. Then this increased level, some bit from previous. Then increase of level of water is according to question 5.6 centimeters. Okay, increase in level of water is 5.6 centimeters. That is 56 by 10, means you can write as 28 by 5 centimeters. Now according to question, number of marbles is nothing but increased volume of the water. So volume of x marbles. So as per the question, water is level increased. Therefore, volume, what are the volume of x marbles is exactly equals to increased volume of water. Because by dropping some amount, some water level is increased. That is increased volume of water. Okay. This we can apply. That's it. So containing some water is fully submerged. So diameter of the beaker is also given centimeters and marble's diameter is also given. Then we can take this question as this. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is the volume of the sphere. The marbles in spherical shape. Okay. What are the marbles are placed? They are in spherical shape. So some so on there. That is x into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So radius is different. And volume of the cylindrical shape is pi r square h. So here is r is different. Here is r2 is different. So we can take r1 r2. Then just substitute the values. X into 4 by 3, 22 by 7, and r value is 7 by 10 whole cube, and pi value is 22 by 7. Here radius is 7 by 2. Radius is given, diameter is 7 centimeters, so radius is 7 by 2 square, and height is 28 by 5. So height is given, means how much is raised water level. Using this you can find out the value of x by cancellations, common terms in both sides. If you apply 22 by 7, 22 by 7 get cancelled. You simplify everything, then x is equals to, right side is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 28 by 5, and this 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4, 7 by 10 cube. So 10 by 7, 10 by 7 into 10 by 7. If you take, now these all just simplify, then you get the final answer. So that is 7 7 cancel here, 4 is 28, and 5 ones are 5 2, right? And these 2 to get cancelled, and 2 ones are 2 2s are again 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. So here 2 ones are 2 5s are. Just you can cancel however it is. Now 3 into 5 into 10. So 3 5s are 15, 15 10s are 150. So number of marbles is 150. Hence number of marbles dropped into the beaker is 150, right? You can find it that way. And next question is from trigonometry. Prove that cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A is equals to sin A plus cos A. Let us take LHS and we'll prove this RHS, sin A plus cos A. So in this LHS we'll take, the question is cos A by 1 minus tan A and plus sin A by 1 minus cot A. So RHS is in terms of sin and cos. So tan and cot also will convert into the terms of sin and cos by using trigonometric formulas. That is cos A by 1 minus, okay, tan we can write sin by cos. So tan A is sin A by cos A, plus here it is sin A as it is, 1 minus cot is cos A by sin A. Then just do LCM and we'll simplify. That is cos A by, down is cos A minus sin A by cos A, plus here sin A by sin A minus cos A by again sin A. Next step we can take this denominator to numerator place will be the reciprocal, that is cos A into cos is cos square A by cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A, plus here it is sin square A by sin A minus cos A we can write. So in denominators are not same. So if you observe cos A minus sin A, same cos A minus sin A, if you want you can change the sign. Then we can change like this, cos square A by cos A minus sin A. If I keep minus sign, then sin A minus cos A becomes cos A minus sin A. Okay, just a minus common from denominator. Now denominators are same, so cos A minus sin A. Then you can add, subtract this both. That is cos square A minus sin square A. Now according to the RHS, here only sin A plus cos A, right? Then you can see this numerator, you can use A square minus B square formula. Okay, A square minus B square is equals to A plus B into A minus B. Let us apply this formula here. You can write cos A minus sin A once, okay, cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A. By denominator is cos A minus sin A as it is. Cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A can cancel. The remaining is cos A plus sin A. Okay. That is the RHS. So we have taken LHS and proved RHS, hence proved. Right? Okay, so in this way you can solve this question number 2. Now let us take the problem 3 and we'll solve the sums.